Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the steps to disable the QR code icon in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the latest updates. If you find that the QR code feature is cluttering your toolbar and you'd prefer a cleaner look, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. Once you have Chrome open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Next, click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, you'll want to scroll down until you see Settings. Click on it to open your Chrome settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it. Here, you'll find options to customize your browser's appearance and toolbar. Once you're in the Appearance settings, look for an option that says Customize your toolbar. Click on this to see all the icons currently displayed in your toolbar. Here comes the final step. Disable the QR code feature. You should see an option related to the QR code icon. Simply toggle it off or uncheck the box next to it. This will remove the QR code icon from your toolbar. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the QR code icon in Google Chrome on your PC. If you ever decide you want it back, just follow these steps again and toggle it back on. Remember, keeping your browser tidy can enhance your browsing experience and make it easier to navigate through your favorite sites without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for tuning in today and happy browsing.